Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add a bank account in Remitly. First thing first, open the Remitly app on your phone, then log in to your account. Now tap My Remitly and select Payment Methods. Tap Add Payment Method, then choose Bank Account as the payment type. Enter your bank account details such as bank name, account number, routing number if required, and account type like check-in or savings. Now Remitly may require a verification process such as small test deposits or instant account verification via your bank login. Just complete the verification to link your bank account. Now all you have to do is tap Save to confirm and your bank account will now appear in your payment methods list. You can now use this bank account to send money via Remitly. You can also add multiple bank accounts and choose the best one for each transfer. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.